But to the visitor, one of the most intriguing places in Broadcasting House is the effects studio. Authenticity is what we want, and this provides some of it. You don't make the same noise running up a wooden staircase as you would running down a steel fire escape. And bolts and locks have different sounds. With the advantage of authentic noises previously recorded on disc and tape, you can have a whole farm in your program. And in the Welsh Home Service Continuity Studio, the duty announcer knits together the individual programmes to form an evening's broadcasting.
And now the news headlines for St. David's Day. This afternoon, the Princess Margaret opened the BBC's new headquarters in Wales, Broadcasting House Cardiff. Her Royal Highness unveiled a commemorative plaque in the entrance hall before touring the building.